Hi, it's Kev at KDS Automotive. Got a video for you today of our Porsche Boxster 2.7. This is a 2004, so it's the facelift car. Comes with the clear indicators in the front headlights. It's actually got xenon headlights, this one as well, as part of its option pack, finished in seal grey. You can see there it's really good and straight down the sides, and being the facelift also gets the clear rear lights as well. This has actually got a stainless exhaust on it. I'll get to that in a second. All good down the driver's side as well. It's got the stainless exhaust fitted, which it gives it the style of the Boxster S model with the twin exits. Not particularly loud, but that has been done at a cost of about £1,000. So being stainless, it'll never need to be done again. Now this car, we actually sold this car back in February this year, and the customer that bought it just didn't use it. It's done about 350 miles, so it's come back to us to resell it. The important thing with this car is that we did the clutch and the rear main seal before it was sold last time, so that has been done. So that's the big worry with these cars. They also inspected the RMS bearing while they were in there. This was done at a Porsche specialist, and it's absolutely fine. Good comprehensive history. Obviously we serviced it while we had it in at the beginning of the year, and it had new rear tyres on it, so it is good to go. We will be putting a new MOT on it for the new owner, but as you can see, it certainly doesn't look like a 18-year-old car, that's for sure. We'll show you the inside. Okay, so on the inside, we'll start in the front. So there's a luggage area in the front. We've got the spare wheel in here as well. So plenty of space in there. If you consider this is a two-seater sports car, that is plenty of space. And it does also have a boot in the back as well. Of course, this is mid-engined. So onto the interior. So black leather, all in good order. Just come around on the door panels, you can see all the carpet on the bottom of the door panels is really good. And then to the dash, so 88040 miles. It's got Sony CarPlay system fitted, which features Bluetooth. It's also got the digital aircon. You'll see there the PSM, Porsche Stability Management system. Also, just while we're here, it's actually got the wind stop as well. So if you've had a convertible, you may know this. If this is your first go at a convertible, you may not. But the way the wind comes over the car when the roof's down, it tends to come back on you as it comes over the car and comes back. So this just eliminates that and makes it a much more comfortable place. If you're doing 50, 60 miles an hour with the roof down, it isn't too bad at all. And talking of the roof, this is what the car looks like with the roof up. So it has a nice wide glass rear window, which was again one of the other things that they factored into the facelift on this. But roof up or down, that looks stunning. So I'll just give you a quick tour of the inside with the ignition on. I know we did this a little bit before, so we've got the stereo there. We've got two USB sockets here for charging, and there is a separate USB to plug your phone into the system for CarPlay. This is how you operate the roof. So the roof is electric. It just has one simple lever and then the button. Let's see if we can video this for you. Let's put the hood down. So as quickly as that, you go from roof up to roof down. I'll just start the car so you can see there's no warning lights on the dashboard. So the only lights that we've got on there are the handbrake light and the seatbelt light, because I'm sat in the car, and the other warning light there actually is quite a good one. So that's the bonnet open light. We didn't close the bonnet fully after we did the inside video, but it does give you a warning if you've got one of the boots open, just so you're aware and you can get that closed. So mirror adjustment on the side here. Really nice place to be inside this cabin. So there we are, that's a quick tour around our Boxster. If you're at all interested in owning one of these cars, I don't think you'll find one much better than this. Please give us a call, drop us an email. I can take you through all the information about it. We can arrange for you to come down, have a look and have a test drive. You will not be disappointed, I can promise that. So we look forward to hearing from you soon.